A storm just came from out of nowhere. I mean, it drenched us. But this is the through the roof conduit. These go in down to the solar charge controller. I just cut off the SAE or J connector. I'm about to put some MC4 connectors on. You need the special crimping tool and the wrenches to put these on. All right, just finished on the roof. I'm using the white for hot, the black for negative. So this just clips in here, that just clips in there. That simple. And when I put the other panel up, I could use a Y connector to bring them in parallel. And like I said, it comes in through the roof, the ceiling right there, comes down behind the wall. I'm gonna put a grommet around that and MC4 connectors to the solar charge controller.